Hello, welcome back to MOXO Essentials. In this video, we are going to talk about the MOXO Diagnosis report. Quick disclaimer, any patient information you are going to view in this video is all fictitious and does not represent any client. Once you log into your account, you'll get to the dashboard or landing page of your MOXO account. To view MOXO test results, you need to first select the test you wish to analyze. You can do this by accessing a recent client directly from the dashboard or from your client's page where you can view all of your clients. You can also head to the test page where you can view all of your tests and view the desired test results by clicking the Results button on the right. When viewing reports, the default viewing mode is Detailed, which includes the full report. To switch to Overview, which we like to call the cockpit view, click here. Now you can view the most relevant information regarding the test in an interactive way. On the top, you can find basic information about the test and client, the indicator results for validity, credibility, and dissimilarity, and the Z-scores for the 4 main attention metrics. In the middle section, you can view your client's performance as it relates to those attention metrics throughout the 8 stages of the test. You can choose which metrics to view and compare them side by side. On the bottom left, you can see how each of the distractor types affect the patient's performance on each of the 4 attention metrics. Next, we have the attentional age. This only applies to children between the ages of 6 to 12 and shows the developmental age corresponding to their test results as per each metric. Lastly, we have the observation summary section. This is where you can add or view your observation notes. Now, let's switch back to the detailed view. The detailed report provides a comprehensive breakdown of all the elements summarized in the overview report, offering deeper insights into key performance metrics. In MOXO, we use a norm based on individuals without ADHD. The Z-scores in this report are evaluated against that norm. The 4 indices are displayed in a comparison table with performance levels marked as follows. Green, which means average and above. Light green, which points to slightly below the norm. Orange, which marks weak performance. And red, that highlights significant deviation from the norm. Next, we have the severity table, which provides additional insight into the degree of difficulty, focusing only on instances where performance challenges exist. Now we reach the performance graph. This graph presents a section-by-section performance score for each of the different segments of the test. The x-axis represents the 8 test stages, each differentiated by the type or the amount of distractors present. The y-axis reflects performance, starting at 100 with the score decreasing for every error committed. Please note each metric is indicated by a different shape and color on the graph. If your client is under the age of 27, you will be able to compare their performance to the general population on every metric. Next, we have the performance summary table, which highlights key fluctuations in performance in relation to different distractor presence, highlighting key aspects. Sustained performance, which tracks the effect of the test-taking process on attention. The visual, auditory, and combined sections each reflect the influence of the respective distractors on the client's performance. Lastly, we have distraction load, which shows the impact of the volume of distractions on the client's performance. Now we reach the area where we add or update essential information regarding the test and client. After background information, we have the test observation notes, where you can document observations of your client's behavior during the test. The final section is the summary, which is automatically generated based on the performance graph and table and cannot be edited. Thanks for tuning in to another MOXO Essentials training video. In this video, we covered how to access, view, and interact with the MOXO Diagnosis report, both in overview and detailed mode. See you next time!